What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, I'm super excited because I was actually looking on Facebook Marketplace like I tend to always do, especially in, my lucky chair here. But what I was doing, I was just kind of, casually scrolling through. It's raining outside, so I've been in here just kind of relaxing, hanging out. And I come across an old first-gen Dodge. Now, I don't know if it has a motor or anything like that in it. The post didn't say a whole lot. It just kind of said a price. They're actually selling it for $600. So, yeah, and it has a clean title. So, it's kind of hard to pass up. So, I think we're going to go look at it. The seller is willing to meet with me, even though it is pouring raining. So, he doesn't even care. So, I think what we're going to do, we're going to get hooked up to the trailer out back. Now, like I said, I did not plan on doing this today. It was just, too good of a deal to pass up. Now, I'm going to grab me something to drink here out of the fridge. Man, it's such a beautiful, rainy day. But anyway, let's go ahead and, Max is just out chilling in the rain. Look at him. Come here, buddy. Do you want to get in your doghouse? No, just come over here. You probably need to get in your doghouse, buddy. Anyway, let's go ahead and feed him some food. It's probably going to get soaking wet, but still need to feed him, so let's go ahead and do that. And we are going to head out to go potentially buy this first-gen Dodge. Now, I don't necessarily know why we wouldn't. I mean, clean title, all that. And I guess it doesn't have a motor, but that doesn't really matter. We can put a motor in it. Shouldn't be too bad to find one of those. Anyway, it looks like the trailer is ready to go, and we are going to get hooked up to it and see if we can go check this out. Now, it's just up in town there, so it's really, really convenient. Hard to pass up, like I said, being that it, is so close and such a good deal. All right, here we are in the truck. Got the windshield wipers on there because, man, like I said, it is pouring down. Actually, I haven't seen some rain here in a little while, so actually kind of glad to be getting some rain. Maybe it'd help the grass grow and we can get out here and possibly mow that tomorrow if it dries up enough. Don't know if we'll be able to because, my yard tends to dry off pretty decently, but, sometimes it will kind of hold some moisture depending on how long it rains. So I'm finished getting this trailer all done there. Okay, so we got the jacks raised up. Make sure not to leave them down. We got the lights hooked up, and we are ready to go. Tires look good. Let's go and get out of here. I'm tired of getting rained on. Let's go potentially buy this new first-gen Dodge. Another project to start on. So yeah, that's gonna be really fun. All right, man, out here cruising around the rain. Hopefully we don't rut up the yard. I don't know, it just started raining though not too long ago, so I don't think it's had time to really set in and just soak the ground. But you can see it in the rearview mirror there. Man, it is coming down. All right, so we're gonna try to hurry up and get this over with and try to check this thing out, see if it is, like I said, worth fooling with. All right, make sure nobody's coming. Looks like we're good that way. Check both ways. Always remember to check both ways, guys. Got to remember that. Turn on the headlights because it is raining. Now, the speed limit is like 45, so I better slow down. Let's just cruise about 40 through here. Don't want to get pulled over on the way to get this truck. He did say he had other people trying to come get it. So, we got to get there, check it out, possibly buy this thing. Now, I was talking to him about filming. I don't think he was too, happy about wanting to be on camera. So, maybe we can just kind of film a little bit of what happens here. But let's see. So, it's the actual owner of the, whatever you call it here, speed shop. I think it's what, yeah, speed shop. So, they have gas out front and, of course, a little automotive shop here. Now, I didn't actually know that they, had some older vehicles in the back. Oh, wait, there's the Dodge. Okay, there is the Dodge. Yeah, I didn't actually know that they had all this back here. I've never really paid attention to it, to be honest. So what all do they have? Okay, so I see some old tractors there. Couple cars. And we're going to see if we can get backed up here. Now, like I said, I'm still not 100% sure I'm going to buy it. We're just gonna get ready. The owner of the truck actually isn't here, or the seller, whatever you want to call it, isn't here. So I'm just kind of getting in position. I'm going to kind of pull around right here and wait to see if this is something we want to do. So it's kind of give him some room to get in here. Now, I'm going to kind of go check this truck out. I guess I'm going to leave my old F-250 running there. Hopefully, it doesn't get stolen. But, we did have some bad luck here at this gas station a long time ago of a truck of mine getting stolen. Anyway, so it is still raining just as much as it was when we left the house. So you can see we do not have an engine in it, so we'll have to take care of that. We got the front bumper up there, so that's good. It looks like it's, pretty intact for what it is. So you can kind of see here, got the exhaust. Not sure what's going on with that. I don't think that's where that's supposed to be. It's like we're missing the wheel, but I think, okay, the wheel's in the back of the truck there, so that's good. The interior looks really, really good also. So he said that the motor messed up in it about 2.5 years ago, 3 years ago, and so he just kind of parts it up, and, he sold a few parts off of it, or took them off, and then I think he did end up buying some more to replace the ones that he did get rid of. So he said it's just been sitting here for a while, isn't going to do anything with it, so he put it on Marketplace, and here we are. So actually I think I hear him pulling up now, so I'm gonna meet with him, talk with him, and see if we can possibly get this new first gen Dodge. Alright, so we got her there on the trailer, as you guys can see. So I guess I could go ahead and tell you that I did end up purchasing the truck. I actually talked him down to $500 just because, you know, it is going to need a good bit of work, and he was okay with that. He was ready to get rid of it. Anyway, so on the back wheel here, I got a jack stand under the axle to kind of, you know, or rear end, might I say, to keep, you know, the truck from leaning over once we're going down the road. So yeah, it's going to be fun to get this thing off the trailer without his help, because he actually had a tractor and he picked up the back of the truck and just kind of rolled it like that. Went super smooth. Anyway, so we're going to get out of here. It is still pouring down raining. I did not know we'd be making a video in the rain today. Thought I'd be chilling on my couch right about now. Alright, and just like that, we are off. I checked the straps. Everything seemed to be pretty good. So now I know that he has a junkyard potentially behind his shop. So he said if I ever needed anything for the truck, of course, and, you know, for other things that he might have parts for, just to let him know, and he will go check. Now, he said he is planning on listing a few more things on Marketplace within the next, you know, coming like weeks, months, something like that. So to kind of be on the lookout, and of course I will be, you know, I stay on Marketplace. So if he posts anything else and it's a really good deal and it's something we are interested in, then I may buy, because he doesn't sell things for, you know, way more than he should be. So, you know, really cut me a good deal on this truck here, so I'm very thankful for that. But here we are finally back at the house, you know. Not too bad of a drive, you know, it's just right there in town. So really convenient, worked out really good. Like I said, did not plan on buying a truck today, but here we are with a first gen Dodge. Now this is a regular cab. All right, so I guess now the only thing left to do is to fight with getting the old first gen off the trailer. Now I guess we can try to get it off on this back side here. I think it's going to be easiest because I do have a few other vehicles in the shop, you know, right now that I am working on. So I think we're going to have the most room by going in this way. Let's see, maybe I could back around. You know, we're just going to pull out this way. Hopefully the yard isn't too bad, and we can just, you know, manage to kind of turn around like this, and we are going to back straight into there. You guys can see the garage door there, so we're going to kind of get lined up with that. I may get a tractor or something and try to lift up the back of the truck to then get it off the trailer. Now with that all backed up here, we can begin to try to get this thing off the trailer. Now we do have a tilt trailer, so that is going to make it a little bit easier. So I think I'm going to go ahead and raise that up, and then that will allow the back of the truck to be, you know, close to the ground. Then we should be able to just kind of drag it off like that. We may just leave it outside right here. It's not like it hasn't been outside for, you know, a couple, or I think it was like 2 or 3 years anyway. So we'll just leave it here, I guess, right now, and then we'll wait for the rain to clear here, and then I guess get started trying to get some of the parts, you know, put back on the truck and making it into a full truck again. Now I guess the only thing left to do pretty much is to well, of course, you know, put it all back together, but main part is going to be finding an engine, because it looking like that's not going to get us very far. So we will be looking for a motor, I guess, on Marketplace. We may even have to buy another like first gen Dodge or some kind of Dodge, you know, Cummins truck to get the motor out of it. And now here you have it, you guys. We have the new first gen Cummins, or new to us, of course. Now the paint's actually in really good shape, so we probably won't even have to mess with that. But now I do have like some plans for this truck as far as, you know, aftermarket rims, things like that, and of course a certain motor that I would like to put in this truck. But anyway, I think we're gonna wrap it up right here. If the weather was a little better, we would definitely go ahead and start working on the truck and doing that, but I think we're going to save that for the next video. We'll get started on the first gen Dodge here and go ahead and try to find a motor, go ahead and get that, and then see about getting it put in the truck. But anyway, if you guys did enjoy this, be sure to subscribe if you're new, and like this video if you did enjoy it. Anyway, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.